Welcome guys. Today in this video we can see how to solve the non-homogeneous linear ordinary differential equation with constant coefficients. To solve this differential equation, we have to find the complementary function and the particular integral. First, to find the complementary function, we need the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. That is, in the place of d, we are replacing with m. And for the right hand side, we are giving 0. This is the auxiliary equation. To solve this, this will be m minus 2 the whole square equal to 0. That is, m minus 2 into m minus 2 equal to 0. So, we get m equal to 2 comma 2. So, here the roots are real and equal. If the roots are real and equal, then the complementary function will be c1 plus c2x into e raised to 2x. This is the complementary function. Now, to find the particular integral, pi is equal to 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 into 2 raised to x. That means right hand side we have 2 raised to x. If in the place of 2 raised to x, we have e raised to x, means it will be very simple. That means in the coefficient of x, we can substitute in the place of d. But here it is not e raised to x, 2 raised to x. So we have to bring in the terms of e raised to something. So how we can bring means, we know e raised to log x means simply x. Similarly, e raised to 2 log x means e raised to log x square. So this will be x square. Same method we can apply here. That is 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 into 2 raised to x. For this 2 raised to x, we can give e raised to log 2 raised to x. That is, e and log we can cancel. Again, we will get simply 2 raised to x. So, this will be again 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 into this x we can bring here. So, this will be e raised to x into log 2. That is 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 into e raised to log 2 into x. We are interchanging. That's all we are doing here. So, now, this is the ordinary form. Coefficient of x is log 2. So, in the place of d, we can replace with log 2. So, this will be 1 by log 2 the whole square minus 4 into log 2 plus 4 into e raised to log 2 into x. That is 1 by, this we can write like this, log 2 minus 2 the whole square into, now we can go back, that is simply 2 raised to x. This is the particular integral. Therefore, the solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to 2x plus 1 by log 2 minus 2 the whole square into 2 raised to x. This is the solution.